Are you on the hunt for the most reliable mini-split brands? In today's world, the importance of a dependable mini-split cannot be overstated. It's a crucial investment, and you want to ensure you're getting your money's worth. So we've done the research, and we're here to introduce you to the top 5 most reliable mini-split brands on the market. We'll be comparing their reliability, cost, and more. Stay tuned as we delve into the specifics of these top-notch brands. Kicking off our list is Mitsubishi, a brand known for its reliability. Mitsubishi mini splits stand out for their high performance, energy efficiency, and smart features. They're designed with advanced technologies that ensure optimal comfort in any weather. Plus, their whisper-quiet operation makes them a favorite among homeowners. When it comes to cost, Mitsubishi's reputation for quality and durability justifies its slightly higher price point. With Mitsubishi, you're investing in a dependable mini-split system that's built to last. Mitsubishi sets a high bar in the mini-split market with its balance of cost and reliability. Next up, we have Daikin, another top player in the mini-split industry. This brand is well known for its reliability, with many homeowners swearing by its long-lasting performance. Daikin offers an array of features such as energy efficiency and whisper-quiet operation, which make it a favorite choice for many. When it comes to cost, Daikin strikes a fine balance between quality and affordability. In a nutshell, Daikin's reputation for reliability and competitive pricing makes it a strong contender. The third brand on our list is Fujitsu, a brand that has made a name for itself in the mini-split sector. Fujitsu is a trusted name known for delivering high-quality, reliable systems. Their mini-splits are packed with innovative features, including energy-saving modes and smart control options. Despite these high-end features, Fujitsu is surprisingly affordable. The brand offers a range of options, from budget-friendly models to more advanced systems. Fujitsu proves that you don't have to break the bank for reliable mini-split systems. Coming up fourth is LG, a well-known brand in the home appliance world. LG mini-splits are celebrated for their dependability and advanced features. With smart inverter technology and energy-saving capabilities, they're a go-to for many homeowners. They offer a wide range of models, each designed to fit various living spaces. Plus, they're known for their quiet operation, ensuring comfort without disruption. When it comes to cost, LG strikes a balance between high-end models and budget-friendly options. LG manages to blend affordability with dependable performance. Last but certainly not least, we have Pioneer, a rising star in the mini-split industry. Pioneer's mini-split systems are renowned for their reliability and top-notch features, including energy efficiency and quiet operation. Despite offering such premium features, Pioneer's mini-splits don't burn a hole in your pocket. They are competitively priced, making them a go-to choice for many. With their excellent customer service to boot, Pioneer is indeed a brand that delivers on its promises. Pioneer rounds off our list with its excellent balance of cost and reliability. So there you have it, the top 5 most reliable mini-split brands. We've explored the strengths of Mitsubishi, known for its energy efficiency, and Daikin with its advanced technology. We've also looked at Fujitsu's reputation for quality, LG's innovative features, and Pioneer's value for money. If we consider cost, Pioneer is the most budget-friendly, while Mitsubishi is on the pricey side. Remember, the best brand for you depends on your specific needs and budget. Happy shopping!